How to delete albums on Facebook. If you want to delete albums on Facebook, it's very simple to do so. Simply open up the Facebook app and make sure to log into your account. Tap your profile icon from the top left, and from here, from your profile page, navigate towards Photos. From Photos, go to the option that says Albums and select it. Here under Albums, you'll find a list of all the albums that you have. So to delete a certain album, simply select that particular album, tap on the three dots icon next to that album from the top, then over there you can find the option called delete. So as and when you tap the delete button, you'll have successfully deleted your albums on Facebook. This way you can delete albums on Facebook, and I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.